Good morning, dear students. Welcome to another session of Management Accounting. In the last session, we have discussed the list of formula of standard costing, and today onwards we are going to start with the example of the same chapter. Right? The list of the formula is already there with you. You should have the same in your notebook. રાઈટ જેની પાસે ના હોય આજે લખી લેજો વિધાઉટ ફેલ જો ફોર્મ્યુલા યાદ નહીં રહે તો કાંઈ જ નહીં સમજાય સો બી ક્લિયર વિથ ધ સેમ રાઈટ see for this chapter I have not given you the PDF file in litho format because the examples are too short. So along with the solution I'll give you the question and then we'll proceed further with the solution. So the items written with the black color is the question and then we are going for the solution, right? So starting with the first question, here the quantity and price are given, standard and actual both are given. So standard quantity is 800 units and standard price is 250. Actual quantity is 820 units and actual price is 2.60, right? So we are supposed to calculate material cost variance, price variance and usage variance. So let us move further, starting with this first, material cost variance. Always give the heading first and then start with the formula. Write down short form in bracket, material cost variance, SQ into SP minus AQ into AP. Right? You can use the short forms in formula. Alright. So now standard quantity is 800 units. So 800. Standard price is 2.5 minus actual quantity is 820 into actual price is 2.60 or 2.6. So you just need to insert all the given information in the formula and you are done with the answer, right? So let us calculate first. 800 into 2.5, that comes to 2000 minus 820 into 2.6. So 2132. Alright, so the answer comes to negative 132. Whenever the answer is negative, at that point of time we need to write down U, that is unfavorable. Alright, whenever that is a negative answer we need to write down U, that is unfavorable. Why? Because standard cost we have assumed 2000 rupees and actual cost is 2132. So the actual cost is more than the expected one, more than the standard one. તો આને શું કહેવાશે? નેગેટિવ કહેવાશે. અઝ્યુમ કરેલી એના કરતાં કોસ્ટ તમારી વધારે આવી એટલા માટે that comes to negative. So whenever there is a negative in answer, that should always be followed by the word U, that is unfavorable. Or તમે A પણ લખી શકો છો. A એટલે adverse, બરાબર છે? રિવર્સ. તો કોસ્ટ ધારી હતી 2000 પણ આવે છે 2132. So whenever there is a negative we need to write down either U or A because it is unfavorable or adverse. Okay, so this is the answer of the first formula, material cost variance. Now second, material price variance. That is MPV. So let us underline the same. Now the formula of MPV, actual quantity into standard price minus actual price. Okay, so now actual quantity is 820, standard price 2.5 and actual price is 2.6 or 2.60. So now 820 into negative 0.10 or 0.1. So that would be negative 82. So again there is the negative answer. So that should be written like this, negative 82. Why negative? Because we have assumed standard price of the material 2.5 and we need to pay the price 2.6. So more than the expected one. So therefore it is negative 82, unfavorable or adverse. Okay. So this is the end of the second formula. Now third formula, material usage variance. That is MUV. Let us underline the same first and then we'll proceed further with the posting of the same. So firstly just write down the formula, standard price into standard quantity minus actual quantity, right? So the standard price is given 2.5, standard quantity is 800 and actual quantity is 820. So guys, in this example everything would be negative. So 800 minus 820, so that would be negative 20. So 2.5 into 20 comes down to 50. So here again that would be 50 unfavorable. Alright, because the quantity we have assumed to be used is 800, but we have used the quantity 820. So quantity used is more than the expected one. So that is unfavorable. I repeat it once again. Usage variance, standard price into standard quantity minus actual quantity. Standard price is 2.5, standard quantity is 800 units, actual quantity 820 units. So that comes to 2.5 into negative 20, because 800 minus 820, that is negative 20. So the answer comes to negative 50. You must have remembered the table that I have shown you in the PPT, that cost variance includes two variances, price variances as well as usage variances. So we also can get the verification. Alright, so that should be like this, MCV equals to MPV plus MUV. Alright, so here what is MPV? Negative 82. And what is MUV? Negative 50. So that comes to negative 832 unfavorable, which is equal to the material cost variance. So this is also called verification, whether the calculation is correct or not, right? So at the end of each and every examples you can go with this verification. So just remember, cost variance includes price variance plus usage variance. So total of both of this should be equal to the answer of cost variance. Then only your example and your answers tends to be correct. Fine. So this is the solution of the first question, which is very simple example as it is the first one, right? So you can have a look at the whole example solution like this. See, this is the question. Firstly, you need to write down the question in your notebook, right? Then solution starting from here, cost variance, price variance and usage variance, and this is verification, right? This is also called reconciliation as well. Cost variance, answer negative 132, price variance negative 82 and usage variance negative 50, and we have got the verification as well. So material cost variance comes to negative 132 by adding price variance and usage variance. Fine. I hope you guys are clear with this. Alright. So let us start with the second question. Let me explain the question first. See, in the first example there was only one material, we have talked about only one type of material, right? Here one product is using two types of material, material A and material B. So let us read the question first of all. In the factory, two types of material A and B are used in the production of the article. The information is as under. So standard for material A is 120 kilograms at rupees 60 per kilo, and for material B that is 80 kilograms at rupees 20 per kilogram, right? This is the standard quantity of material used for a production of a single product A, and B is the type of material. And actual 130 kilograms at rupees 65 per kilogram, and for B that is 70 kilograms at rupees 18 per kilogram. Now we need to calculate material variances. So here which variances are we supposed to calculate is not given, right? Firstly, just compare this. The total is equal 200. It means standard mix is equal to actual mix. तो खाली ત્રણ જ વેરિયન્સ કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરવાના રહેશે, કોસ્ટ, પ્રાઇસ અને યુસેજ. તો ફર્સ્ટ એક્ઝામ્પલ અને સેકન્ડ એક્ઝામ્પલ બંને સરખા થશે. વેરિએશન શું આવશે? ઓનલી વન. જ્યારે ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 1 માં એક જ ટાઈપનું રો મટીરિયલ હતું, whereas in question 2 we have got two types of raw material. So whatever items we did only once in first example, all these things would be done twice in this example, right? Formula remains the same, calculation and method also remains the same. So let us start with the same. The very first, that is material cost variance. That is MCV. Okay? So, formula material cost variance, standard quantity into standard price minus actual quantity into actual price. So, this is the formula. So, let us have a look. Firstly, we are going to start with A. તો હવે બંને વસ્તુઓ A ની જોવાની. A નું સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ ક્વોન્ટિટી, સો 120. A ની સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ પ્રાઇસ 60. A ની એક્ચ્યુઅલ ક્વોન્ટિટી 130 અને A ની એક્ચ્યુઅલ પ્રાઇસ 65. બંને A નું જ લીધું છે આપણે, જોયું 120, 60 અને એક્ચ્યુઅલ 130 અને 65. Okay, so that would be 120 into 160, that would be 7,200 minus 130 into 65, so that is 8450. Okay, so answer આપણે અહીંયા લખીએ છીએ એનો. So answer comes to 7,200 minus 8450, so that is negative 1250. Okay, આવી જ રીતે હવે કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરીએ B માટે. ફોર્મ્યુલા સિમિલર રહેશે, ખાલી એનું કેલ્ક્યુલેશન ફરશે. So for B the standard quantity is 80 kilograms. So અહીંયા લખું હું 80 kilograms. એની પ્રાઇસ છે 20 અને 70 into 18. ક્યાંથી આવ્યું ચેક કરી લ્યો. સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ ક્વોન્ટિટી ઓફ B into standard price of B minus actual quantity of B 70 into actual price of B 18, right? So 80 into 20 minus 70 into 18. So here it would be 80 into 20, 1600 minus 70 into 18, that is 1260. Okay, so directly answer લઈ શકાય. 1600 minus 12660, so that is positive 340. તો પોઝિટિવ હોય તો પ્લસ લખવાની રિક્વાયરમેન્ટ રહેશે નહીં. ઓકે, so now negative 1250 plus positive 340. So that comes to negative 910, that is unfavorable. So આ થશે material cost variance of your one product. Okay? કેમ કે or your overall product, કેમ કે એક બે રો મટીરિયલ વાપરે છે એક પ્રોડક્ટ, એટલે બંનેનું આપણે અહીંયા ટોટલ લેવાનું છે. ફાઇન. સો કોસ્ટ વેરિયન્સ વુડ બી પ્લસ નેગેટિવ 910. મિસ્ટેક થતી હોય તો આ રીતે તમે સાઇન લખી શકો છો. સો ધીસ ઇઝ યોર ફાઇનલ આન્સર ઓફ કોસ્ટ વેરિયન્સ. ઓલરાઇટ, નાવ મટીરિયલ પ્રાઇસ વેરિયન્સ. સો સેકન્ડ લઈએ, material price variance, that is MPV. Okay, so material price variance formula: actual quantity into standard price minus actual price. So for material A, the actual quantity is C. એ હજી એક ટેકનિક આપું, ઉપર ક્વેશ્ચન તો છે જ, રાઈટ, પણ ઉપર સુધી ના જોવું હોય, સો લુક એટ યોર કોસ્ટ વેરિયન્સ. બધી ઇન્ફોર્મેશન્સ એમાં છે જ. જો એસક્યુ છે, એસપી છે, એક્યુ છે અને એપી છે, તો અહીંયાથી જ તમને બધી વસ્તુઓ મળી શકે છે. શું જોઈએ છીએ આપણે? એકચ્યુઅલ ક્વોન્ટિટી. કોની જોઈએ છે? એની. તો એની એકચ્યુઅલ ક્વોન્ટિટી કેટલી? 130. તો એ મળી ગઈ. પછી એની સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ પ્રાઇસ તો કે 60 અને એની એકચ્યુઅલ પ્રાઇસ 65. સો દેટ વુડ બી 130 into -5, because 60 minus 65, that would be -5. So 130 into -5, that would be -650. પછી અહીંયા અનફેવરેબલ નહીં લખો તો ચાલશે. Likewise for B, actual quantity for B is 70. So 70 into standard price for B 20 and actual price for B is 18. So 70 into 2. So that comes to 140 positive, right? So 650 અને 140. So finally આવશે 510 unfavorable. Okay, -510 unfavorable. So this is the answer of price variance. Okay, have a look at the question once again. This is your question, right? Started with the first, material cost variance calculated for A as well as for B. By adding both of them, final cost variance is 910, price variance 650 and positive 140. So that comes down to -510. Okay, now moving ahead with material usage variance. Okay, so third, material usage variance, that is MUV. So MUV, standard price into standard quantity minus actual quantity. So now it would be calculated as the same that we did in the last example. Okay, so for A, the standard price is 60. The standard quantity of A is 120 and actual quantity of A is 130. So 60 into -10. So that would be -600. Okay. For B, standard price of B is 20 rupees. Standard quantity of B is 80 kilograms and actual quantity is 70. So 20 into 10. So that would be 200. So final answer would be negative 400, unfavorable. Okay. So my material usage variance comes to negative 400. So verification ले लइए, or we can also call it rectification or reconciliation, not rectification, reconciliation. So for verification, MCV equals to MPV plus MUV. So price variance નો answer મારી પાસે હતો negative 510. Usage variance નો answer છે negative 400. So that comes to negative 910, unfavorable, which is equal to our material cost variance. Okay, so this is the example number 2 of this chapter. Fine. So we have solved 2 examples right now, example number 1 and example number 2. Okay, fine. So today's session should be there in 2 videos. So this is the first video. Do watch the second video as well to get the clear cut idea about the calculation. Alright, thank you all.